Summerlane Camels recently launched their camel milk powder. People are wanting to get access to camel milk for the immune boosting properties and to help manage a whole range of conditions such as diabetes. Summerlane Camels milk has won multiple awards, including gold medal at the Sydney Royal Show and the Royal Queensland Show, and it was a state winner for the Queensland Delicious Produce Awards. The camel milk powder has also won a gold medal already in the Royal Queensland Food and Wine Show. And the judges actually commented how close the taste was to fresh camel milk. This is a fantastic product to give more people access to camel milk around Australia and around the world. So to make up the milk as fresh milk, work out what quantity you need. If you're making up 150 mils of milk, then you need 15 grams of powder. Make sure that you weigh the powder. Okay, once you've poured the hot liquid in with it, give it a stir. Pop the lid on and place it in the fridge for 12 hours or overnight. So when you've got your milk in the morning, give it a really good shake. And even better, you can use a stick blender to give it a bit of a whiz as well. And there you have it, camel milk. Very convenient